Element number 2 is the knees, which is about bringing the ball to the knees in order to load the legs. Shot power comes from leg strength, not arms, and the best way to ensure this is to get in the habit of touching the ball to the dominant side knee, as the shooter cannot do so without compressing their knees and loading the legs. This is referred to as the dip for a shot. If we watch the best shooters, we will see the ball always begins below the waist and at the knee. In fact, the best way to study the shot mechanics of good shooters is when they are at the free throw line, taking shots, as this is where their repetitions and shot adjustments are fully realized. Aligning the ball on the dominant side knee is also important so that we sweep of the ball is on a linear path on the dominant side and not coming across the midsection of the body from the center or the non-dominant side of the body, thus placing torsion on the shot path mechanic. This is particularly important as a motion that comes from the center of the body and then to the dominant side will usually push that shooting elbow away from the body, exacerbating the linear sweep path even more, thus losing power and control in the shot. The motion is to sweep the ball up in a fluid motion and to keep the elbow tucked into the body to ensure a consistent path, so the arm doesn't flare out and create a side spin on the ball or off-camber action on the shot. This is a good drill to form this element, which is to position the shooter on the wall with the outside face of their dominant foot against the base of the wall. Feet in preferred stance, ball to dominant knee. As the shooter sweeps the ball into shooting motion, they will know right away if their shot force trajectory is correct or not, as their elbow, the link in the mechanic, should not brush against the wall as a part of this motion. An aligned backspin on the ball is critical as well if a shot hits the rim or backboard so that it spins down into the target and not out and away, as is the case with side spin. As such, develop a habit of tapping the shooting elbow against the body as the ball is being brought up through the motion, as this will ensure that the ball, hand, arm, and elbow are on the same vertical trajectory up. An easy way to check on the spin of the ball, and as a basic initial assessment of the shot path motion, is to simply shoot it up into space so it hits the floor 10 feet in front and see if it spins directly back or not. This is a simple drill to do at home to work on our shot release mechanics. What's critical here, of course, is that the elbow is against the body. We're sweeping the motion in a linear path that's going up. Elbow is following hand and ball up, and the release is on target as well. So this line we're creating is all aligned with the target. That's why it's so critical to transfer that power from our feet up into our knees, our hips, our core, arm to fingertip, all in a linear path, all on the dominant side of our body. We'll now move on to element number 3, the hips.